Hi, and welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about adjusting your primary chain or even inspecting it. But every time you're changing your oil, you should adjust your primary chain tension. This applies to all the Harleys up until 2006, I believe. But as long as you have this oval inspection cover here, then you're going to have adjustable primary chain. So let me show you. I'm going to pop this cover off and I'll show you exactly what you're adjusting so you understand what you're doing. Okay guys, this bike, it's a 1989. It's Evo, so it's got the three bolts on this cover. This inspection covers, they are same until like 2006. So if you're changing your oil, you're gonna drain it there, and then when you're adding your oil, take this cover off, and then if you don't what you're doing and what you're looking at, you're just going to stick your finger there and feel your chain. But that would be hard for me to explain. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop this cover off because it's not bolted down. So now with this cover off, it's clear to see what you're adjusting. Right here, we have 9/16 a nut that sits on the bolt. What we got to do is, first of all, you check it. You stick your finger down in the inspection hole and go up and down like this. This is correct adjustment. Anything tighter than this, too tight. Anything looser could start hitting stuff around. So if you need to adjust it, you're going to loosen this. And if you look back here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me loosen it up some more. Okay, so what you have here is these little teeth. So as you moving this thing up, you're taking up the slack of the chain, and once you tighten this, it'll stay where you want it to be. If you need to adjust it, loosen it, you need to loosen it quite a bit. See, like this is too tight, so I can back it off just a hair. Right there, I'm good. So then I'm gonna hold it, and you can do all this through the cover. You can stick your finger, hold this up. So now I'm back here. I'm going to tighten this up, and it's not going anywhere. So guys, just before I say goodbye, I want to also mention that there were aftermarket possibilities. There were, especially in the custom bikes, like if you have a Evo or twin cam, especially Evo, that's like a chopper. There was a deal that they would put a spring underneath this foot here, and then there wouldn't be no more adjustments, because the spring would hold the chain up. Normally you can just feel by putting, see, like now you feel like there's no, it's just a free play. If there was that spring loaded foot here, you would kind of feel like you're pushing against the spring. Just look with the flashlight. If you don't know your bike, maybe you just got it. But I would say 90% of the bikes, they're gonna have this OEM setup all the way up until they went to 6 speeds. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Have a good day.